Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take a look at this 2018 Toyota CHR 1.2 XL. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the CHR. We'll start it up, show the engine, as well as show you the features on the interior, as well as exterior. And before I begin, I'd like to give a big thanks to the Deeside Motor Centre, located in Connors Quay, North Wales, for allowing me to come out and film this car. For more information regarding current inventory and contact info, please check out the link in the description below. And so, without further ado, let's get it started up and let it run. This vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry. It's unlocked at the moment. To lock, all you have to do is tap the marked patches on each of the front door handles. Then after waiting a second, to unlock, just touch the back of the handle. It's a dark grey metallic exterior with two-tone black and brown leather and black cloth interior. Has just over 38,000 miles on the clock. Fires right up. Leather wrapped steering wheel with satin accenting. Has a 6-speed manual transmission. And when you select reverse, brings up your backup camera with guidance lines. And we'll go ahead and turn on the automatic headlamps, front and rear fog lamps, and the hazards. All 4 windows are automatic, and we'll go and check out the exterior, shall we? "18-inch wheels, finished in black. You also have front and rear parking sensors. Has a 1.2 litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Puts out 113 brake horsepower. Does 0 to 60 in 10.6 seconds. And has a top speed of 118 miles an hour. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Manual seats with side airbags. Fuel cap release. This button down here, IMT, stands for Intelligent Manual Transmission. Basically what it is, it's a rev matching system for improved fuel economy, automatic high beams, and automatic parking. And we'll go ahead and here she sounds. Does sound pretty good. Not bad at all. Dual zone automatic climate control. Fan speed. Individual temperatures for both sides. Different zones. Front defrost, rear defrost, one touch automatic, off altogether. AC on and off, recycling, dual, eco, fast, and your heated seats. Different preset stations.
Free, insightful advice that's hard to find elsewhere. Discover good
Decent sounding audio system.
kitchens and bathrooms every
background, and not just you but your family. You all sing and you dance and you act, so you are beautiful.
Station list.
Do you love them all equally, or is there one that you prefer over the other?
Yeah, I think I like to do all of it.
FM AM, DAB digital radio.
So important is the storytelling.
don't like dancing for wafting around.
Yeah.
I don't like singing for
Phone.
good notes. Yeah, all very well, but so what?
Navigation.
Drama, well, of course, obviously the drama is in all of it, but I think that it all, for me, it complements each other, but ultimately it's all storytelling.
Yeah, because with musical theatre, you're able to tell the whole story with every single part of your body. That's your brain, your body parts, your voice. You are literally becoming somebody else, but telling a beautiful story. Is that something that you've always felt like that, or in the beginning of the career, was it more about getting the technique right and hitting those notes?
I was very lucky as a...
Destination.
I went to America in a show called Gypsy with Angela Lansbury playing my mum.
Word, I love Gypsy.
And I played Baby June. And I mean, it was an extraordinary situation.
Various trip information.
Baby June in London. We were at that point very restricted as children.
And settings.
I was only able to do 40 performances for flats at 6 weeks. And at the end of my 6 weeks, the producers, who were American, asked my parents if they would be
Sound settings.
going to America with the show when it went the following year for a tour. My parents didn't believe them. They thought they were just being, kind of complimentary. And but anyway, cut the
Traffic info.
complicated story short, I did go to America with the show for a year.
It's pretty much your standard Toyota Infotainment System,
Because not only did I have that experience,
so it's pretty simple to use.
that was a very young age. I was a sponge. I sort of really absorbed everything. But also I had such great people to model my life in that. Angela Lansbury herself,
USB and auxiliary inputs.
and a phenomenon and a real person. I worked with Arthur Lawrence. He was the director on that show, but he wrote it as well. And he wrote West Side Story and many other shows which were utterly iconic. And he was tough. He was a tough taskmaster. But
Down here you have your traction control.
Stephen Sondheim and Julie Stein and the creative team, at a very, very young age, I realised what was expected of me. I also, although they were extremely kind, they called us small adults.
Power outlet.
Kids. We were included in the company with the same sort of notes, rehearsals. We were not separate.
Auto dimming rear view mirror.
We were of less experience.
Deactivation of your interior alarm.
Utterly part of that company. And although we could have fun with that company, we were expected to behave in a professional and responsible way. And that gave me such a great grounding. It really did.
I love hearing how Bonnie got into dance and the impressive...
Audio controls, hands-free phone controls,
This is the moment
and cruise control.
I find out who she's been inspired by.
Lane departure assist,
I want to ask her,
collision warning.
who does she think is a dancing legend who has changed the world?
Well, I think certainly somebody who had a huge influence and not necessarily is always known, and someone I think who probably had more of an influence on me than I actually realised. And I only worked with her a little bit, but it's a lady called Gwen Verdon.
Gwen Verdon, born in Culver City, California in 1925. The hugely talented dancer and actress was considered the best on Broadway in the 1950s and 60s. During her career, she won 4 Tony Awards and was nominated for a further 2. Married to the highly acclaimed choreographer and director Bob Fosse, she was called his muse and inspiration by those in the industry. Vernon dance-trained some of Hollywood's greatest actresses, including Jane Russell and Marilyn Monroe. And she originated one of Broadway's most iconic roles, Roxy Hart in Chicago.
She was a huge
Pretty amazing vehicle.
star in America than over here. But she didn't really want to be a star. Her whole
Let's go ahead and shut her down.
moving
Let's go and check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Well viewers, thanks much for watching this in-depth tour of this 2018 Toyota CHR, and a big thanks to the Deeside Motor Centre for allowing me to come and film it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace out.